Hello students, today I am going to teach 8th standard maths chapter 1 exercise 1.2. In this exercise we are going to learn operation of the four operation of rational numbers. Let's move on the exercise 1.2 third question. 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5. Here the like fraction only. So here the denominator is same only. First you write the common denominator 5. If denominator is same means you add the numerator as it is. So 7 plus 3. So 7 plus 3, what is the answer? 10 divided by 5. So in 5 and 10, 5 table common only. So 5 table 5 1 times, 10 2 times. So 2 divided by 1, the answer is 2. The second question, 7 by 5 plus 5 by 7. Here the denominator is different only. So we have to arrange the denominator same order only. So do the cross multiplication method. 7 sevens are 49 plus 5 fives are 25 divided by 5 sevens are denominator with the denominator 5 sevens are 35. So now what is the answer? 49 plus 25, 74 divided by 35. So this is the second one answer. Now third one, 6 by 5 plus minus 14 by 15. So here also denominator is different only. So we have to arrange the same denominator. So first take the LCM 5 and 15. So 5 table 5 1 times, here 3 times. So the LCM value is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So second denominator is 15. So write as it is only. You have to change the first denominator only. So multiply 3. So 5 3s are only 50. So multiply and divide by 3 also. So 6 3s are 18. 5 3s are 15. Again plus into minus, minus 14 divided by 15. Here the denominator is same only. So 15 is the common denominator. What is the numerator here? 18 minus 14. So 18 minus 14, the answer is 4 divided by 15. So third question, fourth subdivision, minus 4, 2 divided by 3 plus 7 into 5 divided by 2. So this is the mixed fraction only. We have to convert to proper fraction. So 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So minus 14 divided by 3. So here also convert to proper fraction. 7 12s are 84 plus 5, 89 divided by 12. So here we have to find the LCM value. So 3 and 12. So find the LCM of 3 and 12. So 3 is the common table. So 1 times, 4 times. So what is the LCM? So 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. So 3 into 4, the answer is 12. So 12 is the common LCM only. Here second denominator is 12 is the, so write the denominator as it is. So the first one only we have to change. So in 3 table, 12 how many times? 4 times only. So multiply 4 and divide by 4 also. So minus 14 divide by 3. So multiply 4 and divide by 4 also. So second one, the denominator value is 12. So write as it is only. So 89 divided by 12. So minus 14 fours are, the answer is minus 56 divided by 3 fours are 12 plus 89 divided by 12. Here the denominator is same only. We have to add the numerator minus 56 plus 89. So this different sign only. So subtract the answer 89 minus 56. So the answer is 33 divided by 12. So we have to arrange the answer in mixed fraction only. So 33 divided by 12. So division here 12, 33. So 2 12s are 24. So balance 9. So first you write the quotient value 2, then remainder value 9 divided by the divisor value 12. So again here So 9 and 12, 3 table common. So 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So 2, 3 by 4 is the answer. So fourth question, subtract minus 8 divided by 44 from minus 17 divided by 11. So here from only, first write the from term only, minus 17 divided by 11. So subtracted from only, subtracted minus 8 divided by 44. Here first write the first term, minus 17 divided by 11. So here minus into minus plus only, plus 8 divided by 44. Here the denominator is different only. We have to arrange the same denominator. So in 11 table 44 is possible only. We have to arrange the first denominator only. 11 4s are 44. So into 4. Here also into 4. So multiply and divide by 4. So minus 17 4s are 68 plus 8. Here the common denominator 44 44. So write as it is 44. Now 1 minus 1 plus means we have to subtract the answer. Minus 68 plus 8, the answer is minus 60 divided by 44. So we have to simplify the answer. 60 divided by 44. So in 2 table 60 30 times only. 30 divided by 24, 22 only. So again we have to cancel 2 table 15 times. This is 11 times only. So the answer is minus 15 divided by 11. So fifth question, evaluate the first one, 9 divided by 132 multiplied by minus 11 by 3. So in multiplication, no need consider the denominator. So if you have to cancel numerator and denominator, same table only. So first you write 9 divided by 132 into minus 11 divided by 3. Here numerator and denominator 9, 3 table possible only. So 3 table 3 1 times, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. We have to cancel numerator and denominator same table only. Here also 11 table possible. 11 table 11 1 times. So 11 table 132 how many times? 1 11s are 11. So balance 2 carry out 22. So 2 11s are 22. So 12 11s are 132. So again we have to cancel 3 table. 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12. So what is the sign? Here minus, here plus. So plus into minus, minus. So the answer is 1 by 4. Here a second one also multiplication only. We have to cancel the numerator and denominator same table. So 7 table possible only here. So 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Here 24 and 27, 3 table possible. So 3 table, 8 3s are 24, 9 3s are 27. What is the balance number? So plus into minus, minus 1 8s are 8 divided by 9 5s are. So denominator here also plus into minus, minus. So 9 5s are 45. Again you multiply minus into minus plus only. So 8 divided by 45 is the answer. So sixth question. So divide the first one, minus 21 divided by 5 by minus 7 divided by minus 10. Here first you arrange the division, convert to multiplication only. So divided by minus 7 divided by minus 10. So minus 21 divided by 5. So division convert to multiplication means we have to change the reciprocal only. Minus 10 divided by minus 7. So the same method, multiplication method only. Here also 5 and 10 common cancel. So 5 table 1 times, 2 times. So here also 7 table only. 7 table, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. So minus into minus, plus, again plus into minus, minus. So the answer is minus 3 2s are 6, 6 divided by 1. Here denominator 1 no value. So the answer is minus 6 is the answer. For second one, minus 3 divided by 13. So divide by minus 3. Here also we have to arrange the division convert to multiplication only. So multiply. So the reciprocal of minus 3. So the minus 3 reciprocal is 1 divided by minus 3. Here also minus into minus plus. So 3 table cancel. The answer is 1 divided by 13. So third question, minus 2 divided by minus 6 by 15. So minus 2, so convert to multiplication, take reciprocal on second fraction. So 15 divided by minus 6. Here also minus into minus plus. So 2 table 1 times, 2 table 3 times only. So again cancel 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are. So the answer is 5. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.